Honey and garlic roasted chicken is one of my go-to recipes. I love making this for my family on a weeknight. Today I decided to serve it with some tender stem broccoli, some gravy and some garlic and herbs potatoes. I marinated the potatoes in some butter, some salt and some pepper, some garlic and some herbs. I roasted them for 1 hour in a preheated oven at 200°C. And now to prepare my chicken, I'm going to cut it down the middle like so. I'm going to generally season that with some salt. The chicken marinade I made is quite simple. I'm going to add the butter to the bowl and also add some lemon zest. I'm going to add some simple spices. Here I've got some paprika, some red chilli powder and some black pepper. I'm going to add some honey, but not too much because I don't want the chicken to taste too sweet. So I'm going to try and get the marinade right under the chicken skin. This really maximises the flavour of the chicken. So to do that, I'm going to use my kitchen scissors and make cuts like this. I'm then going to rub that marinade all over the chicken. So this is a medium-sized chicken. I'm going to cover with foil and cook it for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Make sure the oven is preheated before you start cooking. I preheated the oven at 200°C. I'm about to make the honey and garlic sauce. First of all, let's take a moment for my new pan. I bought this from Bistoo in Saudi Arabia. I absolutely love it. It's so small and cute, and I also got this whisk. So I'm going to add the butter in the pan and also add some salt. I'm going to add some red crushed chilies to that. When the butter has melted, I'm going to add some garlic and I'm going to cook that for 2 minutes. I'm now going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm going to let that cook for 2 or 3 minutes and then take it off the heat. While I'm waiting for the chicken to cook, I'm going to prepare some garnish and some salad. Simply boil the broccoli for a few minutes and then added some butter and some salt. So the chicken is cooked through. I'm going to use the chicken stock to make some gravy. I'm going to add the honey and garlic sauce on top of the chicken and cook it uncovered for another 20 minutes. And when the chicken looks like this, it's completely done. I'm going to let it rest for about 10 minutes before I serve it. And that's how I make my honey and garlic roasted chicken. I hope you enjoyed that quick and easy recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And thanks for watching. See you next time.